Hi everyone, Sam for the Bodycentre here. A little bit cooler today, got my jumper on. 34 degrees yesterday. Anyway, we've got this Range Rover Sport in this week. I'm now going to explain to you guys what we're going to be doing. So, this Range Rover is wrapped in a pearl white. Underneath, the body colour is a blacky blue metallic colour. We need to strip the vehicle down, remove all the wrap to move into the paint shop. So let's take it into the workshop. Hope you enjoy this video. The vehicle's completely stripped, we've got bits everywhere, everyone's now ready to start prepping. Exactly what we've done in this video. The vehicle was wrapped in a pearl white. We've removed all the wrap off the vehicle and repainted the complete vehicle in gloss white. All the gloss black trimmers throughout the car have been removed and also been repainted in high gloss black. We removed the wheels off the car, they've been painted high gloss black. All the roofs have been painted gloss black to really finish this vehicle off. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe on all our social media pages and click that subscribe button. enjoyed the video and have much more of an understanding of what happens behind the scenes. Please click the link below to subscribe to all our social media pages, like, comment, share. See you all soon.